Right, for the benefit of this video, I have this new Mamod Workshop being powered by a T1A. This is one of the later dreadful 1990 ones with solid fuel and all that crap. Needless to say, this one's being powered by METs. I've never really run this one before. I picked it up cheap in America and it seems to be performing okay. It's been a bit of a bastard to actually get going, priming like hell. It hasn't got a proper overflow, it's got those damn sight glasses that I hate. It's going reasonably enough. I think it's a little underrunning, which is why it's probably struggling with this a little bit. I haven't got the SE2A running at the moment, so I've just got just one powering the whole lot. But it seems to be sort of digging its heels in there and starting to get some revs going. It's quite nice actually watching it run slowly. It's been priming an awful lot, let's say, because you can never see when these sight glasses are full. They tend to cloud over, or they just don't work. They're just rubbish. So there we have it. It's the first time I've run this one. I'll run it probably with an SR1A next time with the SE2A running as well. But this one seems to be let's say, turning over reasonably well now. I'm not a big fan of these later TEs at all. The build quality's crap. I don't like the colour. They just, shadow what they used to be. But I say this one's going cheap, and I wanted to have an example of it in my collection, so I decided to get it anyway. So you see, it's just turning over quite slowly. I've got the motor wheel disconnected at the moment, just slackened off by the little grub screw, so that it hasn't got the motor to try and push against as well. I've given it a good oiling, but it just seems to be quite reluctant to turn over at any rate of knots. Probably quite a lot for it to do, really, considering it's driving 2 line shafts. I haven't got a Mamod Mk2 collar, so I've had to make it out of 2 bush wheels there, which works perfectly fine. It's a later press with the flattened bolt end as opposed to the plain bush end. This one definitely doesn't want to perform too well today, but I'll give it some oil and see if that might coax it into life. But I'm using one of these so I can run it backwards as well, because obviously the hammer only works in one direction. Alright, let's give this another try. Better. With the 2 of them running, it should have ample power. I can disconnect this contract gear here and have these running independently. Then it's a bit more fun, isn't it? I think ultimately I could make one a bit longer and have 2 lots of line shafts with 2 lots of tools. I just wish Mamod made some more imaginative tools, like the Waleska ones, but I want to keep this all Mamod, so hence I've just got the usual 4 suspects on the end here. This is say a later TE built around about 1990 when Mamod were based at Bladen up in Tyneside. They started out in this darker green, sort of Brunswick GWR green, and I'm a bit of a purist when it comes to sort of Mamod stuff, and I just think the latest stuff now, especially the stuff they produce now, is for the most part crap. They only built something that's a little bit more imaginative. All this Challenger stuff, the Challenger and the Centurion, they just look lopsided, badly made, homemade models. The huge great piece of square brass slab stuck on the end. It's just a cobbled together concoction basically, just to satisfy demand, try and appease people who say they need to do something a little bit more modern, but it's just been badly done. Anyway, back to this one. It seems to be performing reasonably well. It's got into its stride now, it's stopped priming. I've disconnected the SE1A so it hasn't got that resistance to work against. You can see the motor there, it's quite a sort of low reduction. And finally, it seems to be behaving itself. makes all the noise. It's a shame these don't make any noise. A lot of the Wellesco tools, we've got these little chaps with grinders and saws and all sorts of things, but visually a lot more appealing, but also audibly as well. There's actually plenty going on. It makes a lot of noise, and it fascinates young children when they actually see these, especially at STEAM events. It really sort of creates the atmosphere. So there you have it, my Mark II workshop. The other workshop is over there. Maybe do a video soon, run all 4 engines together. Keep you busy. So there you have it.